the aluminum left on this rock. I mean, look how big this rock is. And we were lifting this rock up by the edge of the skid plate. That's pretty impressive. Now, if you're wondering how well will an aluminum belly pan hold up to off-road abuse, we'll take a look at this diesel JL. And we love to see Jeeps like this. This has been used. I mean, there are scratches from the front axle, down the links, down the belly pan to the rear axle. And yes, this is an Artec aluminum belly pan under here. And you can see scrapes and scratches, but the belly pan's holding up great. I mean, these are battle trophies right here. You can tell that they use this Jeep and it's holding up great. We've always been impressed with the Artec aluminum belly pans. So today, we're installing a set on the giveaway Juice Wrangler JL. Now, as we scroll down on the underside, you can see all the scrapes and scratches on the Juice giveaway. We've definitely taken this JL off-road and it shows. You can get the full Artec belly pan as a complete kit or as sections, depending on what you want to protect and your budget. We chose the full belly pan setup. Do it once, do it right type mentality. Plus, we'd hate to install, let's say, the front section and then end up damaging the fuel tank because we neglected to do it. The Artec kit does require you to remove some of the OE skid pans and braces. And that's fine with us because they're pretty light duty and we've already damaged ours. We installed the front plate to show how much our T-case crossmember is damaged, with one spot pushed up at least 3/4 of an inch. We then removed it and straightened it out in the press just so we could get the bolt holes to line up properly. If you've bent yours or just want a little extra beef, Artec does make heavy-duty replacement crossmembers for the JL and JT. For the oil pan skid, Artec supplies brackets that drop down from the engine mounts to support the front of the skid. The toughest part of the install is the fuel tank skid. You need to get a ratchet strap in between the factory skid and the tank so you can hold the tank up in place while you remove that OE pan. And it's really quite amazing how much dirt and rocks were trapped on that OE pan. We then installed the Artec tank strap and the tank crossmember. Artec is another one of those manufacturers that have good instructions with lots of pictures, though we did find a couple steps that were different. Maybe it's because our JL was a 2025. With the tank strap and crossmember in place, the center skid and tank skid bolted right up. Now, this install was done on a lift, and that does help a lot, but you can do it with the vehicle on the ground too. Now, if you're in the PNW, we can do that install for you. Get an appointment and you can sit back and sip coffee while our service shop does the rest. The benefits of the Artec belly pan are obvious. It'll help protect those critical components under your Jeep, like your engine and transmission oil pans, your transfer case, and your fuel tank. Now, a huge benefit of the Artec aluminum skids is weight. The full belly pan system under a 4-door JL weighs less than 20 pounds more than your OE parts. Artec uses 1/4 inch thick 6061 T6 heat-treated aluminum plate, and that's going to give you high strength with a low weight. And because it's aluminum, you don't have to worry about corrosion or touch-up paint. So there you go, a few hours of work and that Artec aluminum belly pan system is installed under the giveaway Wrangler. And this is about as nice as it's gonna ever look because this is headed for the trail. We're gonna show you how tough it actually is. Now, these are available for the 2-liter, the 3.6, the 392, and even the diesel. So if you're looking for some belly protection for your Jeep, well, hit those links down in the description box below. And while you're down there, hit up that comment section. Drop any comments or questions you have. I'll meet you down there. And stick around because we're gonna bring you some more off-road action as we go out and scrape up these beautiful aluminum belly pans. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.